Hey, good Wednesday evening, everyone. We've had a beautiful past few days of weather here. Showers will start to work in tonight. Very spotty this evening, but the chances will go up overnight. And Thursday morning, we'll have scattered showers continue, but then we'll see the conditions clearing out tomorrow afternoon. But hey, tomorrow is going to be an interesting day. Temperatures are going to be a good 15, 18 degrees below the seasonal normal tomorrow. We're going to have breezy, gusty winds as well. And then we're going to warm things up a bit going through the weekend. Friday looks good, and then the weekend brings storm chances back to the forecast, and that will be just the beginning of an active pattern. So first off, let's take a look at the forecast radar tonight. You can see the scattered showers developing. We're going to continue to see some scattered showers in the morning tomorrow, but mostly before about lunchtime. A chance there for scattered showers, especially to our north, and then we'll gradually clear the rain out of here. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll get a little bit of sunshine in there as well. But look at the high temperature tomorrow. 65, and it's possible if the clouds and the rain hold a little longer, it may stay a little cooler than that. So you factor in some wind, it's going to feel more like a mid-April day out there tomorrow, so jackets are needed. You may want to put away the shorts for one day tomorrow. And then Friday looks great. We have mostly sunny skies, highs getting back to the 70s here, so enjoy Friday because the weekend will come at storm chances here. We have pretty high likelihoods here. Saturday, I think, could be drier than Sunday. I think Sunday can bring even higher coverage of showers and storms across the area. And then as we go through next week, we continue to see those storm chances linger here, especially Sunday night and a Monday. We'll have perhaps some lower chances Tuesday, but storm chances will be a common theme as we go throughout next week, with rainfall about 2 to 4 inches possibly over the next 7 days. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.